I take red color. It can be acrylic or gouache, doesn't matter. We take a little bit and we'll try to make like a cream. Put a little bit water and mix very good. You see, it must be like cream. I put a little bit glue. I don't know which glue and how will be named in English this, but it's for paper, simple glue. But it's not important. You can put only acrylic. You see? After we paint these flowers and separate for 6 pieces. But in fact, Poppy have 4 leaves, not 6, but I paint 6. It looks like this. Nothing difficult. Now start magic. We take on the fingers a little bit red color. Not so much. And now we'll start magic. This is paint flowers, this kind of flowers for lazy, you know, because you can use your finger, you don't need a pencil for some steps. Look, you must push your finger so much in paper, because if you not will push, you will be not strong on your fingers. It will be just red, but we need to do some gradient, you know, like transparent. Red must be like a little bit transparent. Sorry for my English, really, it's very poor, I know. It's all. We make 6 hearts. After we take some lemon colors or yellow or orange, I don't know. It's only your magic. I like more with white. Like this. Now I take a little bit more dark red, and if you don't have, you can put a little bit black in the same red and put water. Do like a cream again. I'm always do mix with water all the colors. Don't be lazy. I take squirrel number 2. It's small size, and usually I paint all pencils. Oh, not pencils, brush. I don't know why I want to say always pencil. Squirrel, my brush is squirrel. You take red, full brush, and just a little bit, if you see, more dark. And do like, you know, I thinking you can imagine this is like heart, and you like hug your heart. Be a little bit romantic, yes. And we do this with 6 pieces, with 6 leaves. Again, I'm sorry, my English not so good for explanation how to paint, but I will try my best. Every time you must do the same, and not forget to clean your brush. Oh, I told brush, not pencil, yeah. When you finish your 6 pieces, we do the same but inside. And when you try to finish, when you see somewhere white place, try to fix it this with red colors. Slowly, one by one, don't be hurry, and remember, just a little bit dark, just a little bit. You can try this in some white paper before to put in flower, because you never paint, maybe it will be complicated to feel how much you must to take more dark. If you see, I have somewhere white, and it can be not so nice when we will finish paint. Try to fix it this, for example, like me now. You see, I try to hide this white. It's no problem, you can do this. Now I need black colors. The same, I'm again take a little bit black gouache. Yes, just a little bit, not so much. I take a lot, but you must take less. And I use a brush for Japanese calligraphy. I hope it's correct, I told. And imagine you make meditation and you do slowly relax. This it will be a very simple job, but you must be very careful. Do very slim. Oh, my English so bad. I don't know how to name, but you can see what I do. Just repeat. Maybe think about something nice. It will be like this. You make all around. Yes, you see? If you see somewhere need to put more, don't be greedy, put. I'm using more cold green. Don't know how it's named in English, this stuff, but we're using this in Russia and Ukraine for kids. You know, when it's small kids, you must put on the nose some medicine. We're using this stuff. I just turn. But you can using easily ears stick for when you in morning. Yes, you after shower you're using ear stick. It can be the same point. One by one. I don't had in my studio ear stick. I put on another part brush some material and I using like this. But I think everybody have at home ear stick. Now I put blue. Very interesting because this brush handmade from cat. Yes, because from cat you can make very beautiful details. I'm using the same yellow what it was before. And now just your fantasy, your imagination. You can paint, maybe you can have some more nice details than me. Do you see? It's nothing difficult, no any technique, just paint. Next instrument I was saw from girls who do manicure. Usually these girls using for to put nice point in your nails. I will show it. Maybe you recognize. Yes, I think every girl who do manicure always saw this. Yes, you take green, maybe yellow, just your